Your eyebrows, the area around your eyebrows don't match the rest of your face. Okay?
And girl, there's no need to cry, cause you know I'm here for you. And girl, you know when you cry, I'll wipe your tears for you. And girl, I know when you...
I just brushed my eyebrows out with a spoolie, and now I'm just gonna take my brown eyeliner pencil, and I use it for my lips too, and I'm just gonna draw a line under my eyebrow. So I start from the middle, and I just take light strokes to create my tail, like so. I like my tail a little long, so I extend it, and then I just go back into the front and take light strokes. It don't have to look perfect, but yeah. This is my line. Boom. Next, you're just gonna do the same thing to the top. Now, as you can tell, my eyebrow is very thin, but she came a long way, because I think that's the eyebrow I cut off when I was little. But she growing, she getting up. So again, I start from the middle. I draw above where my natural eyebrow is because I want a thicker brow. If you want to keep the shape of your natural brow, you can do that. Damn, babe. And then you're just going to connect those lines. And then again, you're going to do light strokes in the front, but you're not going to go all the way to the front. You see how my bottom line is longer than my top line? That's what you want, because you don't want a boxy brow. Next, you're just going to go in and fill in your brow, drawing upward, still leaving that front part alone. Then what I do is I go in the front and I just take a couple of upward motions with my pencil, really light. That's it. Next, I'm going to take my spoolie and just brush it out. You want to do it very light in the front because you want it to fade. You don't want your eyebrow to look harsh. You don't want it to look boxy because that's not cute. So you're just going to blend that out the best way you can. Remember, this is how I do my eyebrows. Everybody don't have to do their eyebrows like this, but I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, you want to learn how to do your eyebrows how I do my eyebrows. So yeah, fade that out. You go into your brow. It could look messy because you're gonna clean it up anyway. So boom, I'm satisfied with how this brow is looking. Next, I'm gonna go in with the concealer. You should use a shade for your bottom, the bottom of your eyebrow. You should use a shade that's lighter than you, like one shade lighter than you. And I'm gonna be using the MAC NC45 Studio Finish Concealer. Looks like this. This is a new one, y'all. It's fresh. And then I'm just gonna be using a flat brush. This is from e.l.f. It's dirty because I used it. But yeah, you're just gonna draw a line under your brow, y'all. It's super easy. It just take practice. So you wanna get some of that on your brush. Then you're just gonna go from the middle. And just trace. okay? You want to make that line as straight as possible as you can. Next, you're just going to drag that concealer down so you can blend it out. Boom. So you went from this sad little brow to bad, you know, brown. Oh, I'm gonna just clean up on top. I place it right where I'm gonna be, like, you know, clean it up at. I stamp it and then I just slide all the way till I get to the curve part. Take some more concealer, place it, slide, and then I just clean it up. Boom. Alright, now I'm just gonna do the other brow and then I'm gonna come back. Alright, you guys, I'm all done with my brows. This is how they came out. I'm not gonna lie, this brow is always better than this brow, but I don't even try to make them look the same. I want them to look similar, but they always be crispy, okay? Both of them. But yeah, this is how your brows, this is how my brows come out. This is how I do my eyebrows. I want you guys to know, my mom is loud, like she's loud. I want you guys to know that brows are cousins. They're not, no, eyebrows are sisters and not twins, okay? So, I said they're cousins. What? But yeah, the products I use for my eyebrow pencil, I use the Sunny Waterproof eyebrow pencil in dark brown. You can get this from the beauty supply store. I need to get another one because I'm running out. Use that for my brows. For my concealer, I use the MAC NC45 Studio Finish Concealer. Looks like that. Like that. My spoolie is from Morphe. You can get this from Ulta or you can order it offline. I use a spoolie. I don't use this side, but if you do whatever you do. To clean out my brows, I use this brush from e.l.f. This square brush. I know a lot of people use round brushes because, you know, it helps with the arch of the brow. You can do that, but I've been using these. I've been using these ever since I started makeup, so it's what I'm used to. If I try to use the round brush, it just never works out for me. And then just to buff it out, I use my BH Cosmetics 128 brush, which I got in a set. You can use any type of dense buffing brush and it will do just fine. And then your eyebrows should look like this. Sorry for my son in the background. He's 2. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how I do my brows. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And as always, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, babes. Mwah.
Girl, there's no need to cry, 'cause you know